Get rich with these compounding secrets. Do you want to know the secret to getting rich while you sleep? Today, I'm revealing the powerful compounding secrets that the rich use to grow their wealth effortlessly. From investing strategies to business hacks, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to turn a small investment into massive wealth over time. Let's get started. The power of compounding. If you've ever wondered how the world's wealthiest individuals grow their fortunes, the answer often lies in a simple yet powerful principle: compounding. Compounding is the process of earning interest on your interest, multiplying your wealth exponentially over time. Whether it's through investing, business, or self-improvement, understanding compounding can set you on the path to financial freedom. Let's dive into these powerful secrets that can help you get rich. 1. The magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. The secret is simple. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. How it works: when you invest, you earn interest on your initial amount, principal. Over time, that interest earns its own interest, creating a snowball effect. Here's a simple example. You invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. In the first year, you earn $100, bringing your total to $1,100. The next year, you earn 10% on $1,100, totaling $1,210. Over 30 years, without adding more money, that initial $1,000 turns into over $17,000. Best investment vehicles for compounding: stock market. Invest in index funds, ETFs, or dividend stocks. Real estate. Rental properties appreciate over time and generate passive income. Cryptocurrency. Some coins offer staking rewards, compounding your holdings. Bonds and fixed deposits. Safe but slower ways to compound your wealth. 2. Reinvest your earnings. Many investors make the mistake of withdrawing their earnings too soon. Instead, reinvesting dividends and profits can accelerate your wealth building. Dividend stocks. Companies like Apple and Coca-Cola pay dividends to investors. If you reinvest these dividends, you buy more shares, which in turn generate even more dividends, creating a powerful compounding loop. Rental income. Reinvestment. If you own rental properties, instead of spending rental income, reinvest it into more properties or renovations that increase value and rental rates. 3. The rule of 72. Doubling your money faster. A quick way to estimate how fast your money will double is by using the rule of 72. Formula: 72 divided by interest rate equals years to double money. Example: if your investment earns 8% per year, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years to double your money. At 12% per year, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years. This simple rule helps you make smarter investment decisions by comparing different opportunities. 4. Leverage. Amplify compounding with smart borrowing. Rich people use leverage, borrowed money, to compound wealth faster. Good versus bad debt. Good debt, real estate loans, business investments, or student loans that increase earning potential. Bad debt, credit cards, car loans, and payday loans that depreciate in value. Example of smart leverage: buying a rental property with a mortgage allows you to own a $200,000 asset with just a $40,000 down payment. Rental income covers mortgage payments while the property appreciates, compounding your wealth. 5. Compounding in business. Scaling success. If you own a business, you can use compounding principles to scale faster. Reinvest profits. Instead of cashing out early, reinvest profits into marketing to reach more customers, hiring employees to increase efficiency, expanding product lines for greater revenue streams, automation and systems. Businesses that leverage automation compound efficiency. For example, an e-commerce store using automated ads and drop shipping can grow exponentially without requiring direct involvement. 6. Personal development. The ultimate compounding asset. Your skills, knowledge, and network compound over time, leading to higher income potential. Read, learn, and apply. Read books on finance, investing, and business. Take online courses to acquire high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, or trading. Network with successful people to open new opportunities. Health and productivity. Small daily habits like exercise, meditation, and proper sleep compound over years, improving longevity and work performance. 7. Side hustles and passive income streams. Creating multiple income streams compounds your financial growth. Examples of side hustles with compounding potential: affiliate marketing. Earn commissions on sales that continue to generate passive income. YouTube and content creation. Old videos keep generating views and revenue. Ebooks and online courses. Digital products sell repeatedly without additional effort. 8. Tax optimization. Keep more of your money. Rich people use tax strategies to compound their wealth faster. Smart tax strategies: invest in tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, HSA, etc. Use business deductions, write off expenses to reduce taxable income, relocate to tax-friendly states or countries. 9. Patience and long-term mindset. The biggest secret of compounding is time. Those who try to get rich overnight often lose money. The wealthiest investors stay consistent and patient. Examples of long-term wealth builders: Warren Buffett started investing at 11 and is worth billions due to compounding. Amazon reinvested profits for decades before becoming the global giant it is today. Take action now. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, but by applying these compounding secrets, you set yourself up for financial success. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Whether it's investing, business, or personal development, the earlier you start, the richer your future will be. Now that you know the power of compounding, the only thing left is to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth multiply. If you found this valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth building tip. Comment below. What's your next move to start compounding your wealth? I'll be reading and replying to the best ones. Until next time, keep investing, keep growing, and keep winning.